Hello, my friends, it's me, Alex again, and this time this is a special video because as you can tell, we're outside in the park. It's St. Mary's Park in the Bronx, and right now we have our cat, Tequila, outside. I don't know what she's doing, she's just moving around looking outside. I want the cat to go out, but she's just a little bit nervous. She's giving us her back. She's right there. Tequila. She's really concentrated on looking outside. We're gonna be taking her outside more often, and I might start a new series of this. I'm thinking about it. Yeah. My cat is really nice and calm. She's not meowing at all. Just up there a while ago, we were like right around there. We were walking the cat, and the cat was actually outside. The first thing the cat did was actually went on my lap. She was a little bit scared. She was laying down. I grabbed her and I pushed her off my knees. And she just started to walk. I could grab the cat right now and take her out, and let's see how she reacts. Hold on, it's gonna be a little bit difficult. Come on, Tequila. Come on. Yeah, come on. Come on, Tequila. Tequila, come on. You see, right? Look how much space the cat has, yet she only goes towards a little space. I'm gonna grab my cat and shove her outside. Tequila, come on. Tequila, it's just grass. It's just grass. It's just grass, it's just grass, it's just grass. Alright, so this includes this episode, video. I'll see you guys next time. Say bye, Tequila. Tequila. Say bye. Alright. Peace.